you love me, Jesus. I stand in awe of your amazing ways. I worship you as long as I am breathing. God, you are faithful and true. Nobody loves me like you. Mountains, you're breaking down the weight of all my mountains. Even when it feels like I'm surrounded, you never leave my side. Oh.
So, my dear friend, this short play shows that how He loved us more than anything else, but we always ignore the good things that comes our way. We never give Him a chance. Whatever the bad situation we are facing, and whatever we do against Him, He always straight up His arm and calling us, saying, "My son, come to me. I love you." So, dear friend, this short play which based on our spring water verse, which is from the book of John 4:14. So, dear friend, from this moment, let us give our best to the Lord, because God gave us His best. So today I encourage everyone to open up our heart and receive the eternal blessing. Thank you.